A mysterious town where steam rises all around. This is Kusatsu, Japan's most beloved hot spring destination. Join us on a one-night, two-day journey through this otherworldly hot spring town. Just a 5 minutes walk from the center of Kusatsu is the Kusatsu Hotel. This long-standing inn has welcomed guests since 1912 and its traditional wooden architecture still exudes a dignified charm. The rooms are calm, with tatami floors and shoji screens. Open the window and the gentle scent of hot spring steam drifts in. Inside the inn, there is even a foot bath area. Healing begins the moment you check in. The symbol of Kusatsu is the Yubatake, hot water field. Over 4,000 liters of hot spring water gush out every minute, filling the air with the scent of sulfur. To cool down this extremely hot spring water, a traditional method called yumomi is used. While mixing the water with wooden paddles, performers sing and dance, a unique cultural tradition of Kusatsu that dates back to the Edo period. Right next to the Yubatake, you will find a quirky hot spring experience. A steam spot made just for your face, called Kaoyu. Bring your face close and warm steam gently wraps around your skin. In this town of steam, even the food has deep ties to the hot springs. At the long-established sweet shop Matsumura Manju, their famous steamed buns are cooked using the natural steam.
タイミングが合えばちょうどそこから蒸し器から出てきたので熱々のが食べられます。
Mildly sweet and piping hot, they are perfect for a snack during your walk. And here's another treat, Yoritomo's onsen egg. These eggs are slowly cooked using only the heat of the hot spring, with a rich, melty yolk. A luxurious snack born from the springs themselves. For dinner, we visited Mikuniya, a soba noodle restaurant with a long history. Their chilled zaru soba is smooth and refreshing, perfect after a hot bath. You can really taste the blessings of the mountains and the craftsmanship in every bite. And at this shop, you can also try Bayu, horse oil. This natural moisturizing cream is made from horse fat, and when applied to your hands, they turn silky smooth.
一滴だけバー油をつけます。お水がなくなっちゃったでしょ。
In old Japan, it was even used to treat wounds. When night falls, Kusatsu transforms once again. The Yubatake is beautifully lit up and the rising steam takes on a magical glow. Head further into Asai no Kawara Park. Here, volcanic energy bursts from the ground, enveloping the area in mist. At the far end lies Sai no Kawara Open Air Bath, a massive outdoor hot spring under a sky full of stars. While I couldn't film inside, bathing under the stars with steam rising all around was like stepping into a dream. The next morning, we visited Coffee Senka Aya, a retro-style cafe. Their nostalgic morning set tasted warm and comforting, just like stepping back in time. After that, we stopped by Yuki Usagi, a tea room that serves castella cake and tea. The castella was soft and delicately sweet, perfectly matched with a cup of black tea. How's it? Kusatsu is truly a town where the hot water warms your heart. I introduce Japanese culture and the hidden stories of local shops, so please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye bye.